Efficiency at your fingertips. I'll guide you on scheduling a shutdown via Run in Windows 11. Stay tuned for a quick and automated way to manage your system. Press the Windows button, then type Run, and select it from the search results. Then in the Run window, simply type the following command: shutdown, line S-line, T3600. This for your PC to shut down in 1 hour. So basically this command counts in seconds, and 1 hour equals 3,600 seconds. So yeah, now your computer will shut down in an hour. But if by any reason you want to cancel that scheduled shutdown, simply go back to the Run window and type the following command: shutdown line A. This command will simply cancel the previous scheduled shutdown, and your computer will no longer shut down. And thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.